Picture this. You're scrolling through your social media feed, and there on the screen, a friend is trying out different outfits without actually changing clothes. Or perhaps you find yourself in the middle of a concert with friends who are miles away, feeling the rhythm as if you were there. Welcome to the world of augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies that are reshaping our digital interactions on social media platforms. Augmented reality overlays digital content onto the real world, be it through your smartphone or AR glasses. You're adding a layer of computer-generated imagery on top of your surroundings. Social media platforms have embraced this technology, offering interactive filters, digital effects, and immersive experiences that blend seamlessly with our physical environment. Virtual reality, conversely, crafts entirely new, immersive environments. Don a VR headset, and you can step into a different world. You could find yourself in a virtual room for social gatherings, a concert hall, or a game, interacting in these spaces as if you were physically present. One of the most familiar uses of AR on social media is the beloved filters. Platforms like Instagram and Snapchat have popularized AR filters that can transform your appearance, add playful effects, or even transport you to fantastical settings. These filters aren't merely fun. They're powerful tools for brands to engage with audiences in creative ways. Take Snapchat's iconic dog ears filter, for instance. This simple AR effect overlays dog ears and a nose on your face when you take a selfie. This playful filter became a viral sensation, showcasing how AR can enhance user engagement by adding a layer of entertainment to everyday interactions. VR propels social media to new heights by creating virtual social spaces. Consider Facebook's Horizon Worlds, offering a virtual reality space where people can gather, play games, and socialize in a 3D environment. This goes beyond traditional text or video chats, providing a sense of presence and connection as if you were in the same room with others. Imagine attending a virtual concert in VR, where you can not only see the performance but also interact with other attendees, dance, and explore the venue, all from the comfort of your home. This immersive experience is transforming how we experience live events and social gatherings. As AR and VR technologies continue to advance, their impact on social media will only grow. We can anticipate more sophisticated AR filters for shopping, like virtually trying on clothes or accessories. VR could become a standard for hosting events, social meetups, or even working in virtual offices. These technologies are making social media more interactive and immersive, breaking down barriers between the digital and physical worlds. Whether it's through playful AR effects or immersive VR spaces, the way we connect and share experiences online is evolving rapidly. That's it for today's journey on 4th Industrial Avenue. If you found this exploration through tech enlightening, why not subscribe and hit that notification bell? You'll get a front row seat to all our latest explorations.